As a new parent, you're nearly always bound to experience some feeding problems in the first few months of life, and that can be really daunting. Don't worry, that's what I'm here for. Hi, my name's Emma, I'm a registered midwife and I'm also a mum myself. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the common feeding problems that you might find your baby experiencing in the first few months of life. The first common feeding problem that you might find is a tongue tie in your baby. This might have been diagnosed by a healthcare professional or you might have noticed it yourself. Tongue tie is a condition where a strip of skin underneath the baby's tongue can make the movement really restricted. And the impact of this is that when babies are feeding, whether it's breastfeeding or bottle feeding, they can really struggle to get a good latch. If you are worried that your baby has a tongue tie, definitely get in contact either with your GP, health visitor, or it might even be worth seeking the guidance of a lactation consultant. They'll be able to diagnose and then help you with what treatment they think is best. Another thing you might find is your baby starts cluster feeding, and this is whether they're breastfed or bottle fed. It can feel like they're feeding constantly with no breaks in between, but this can be really normal. This behaviour can often be seen during growth spurts. It almost always happens at night time as well, and it actually can be really good if you're breastfeeding for increasing your milk supply. Cluster feeding can be really tiring for you as a parent, but just remember, it typically only lasts a few days, so just be patient. Allow your baby to continue feeding as needed, you've got this. Babies not settling after feeds can be really common as well. It might be that they've got some trapped gas, or it might be that they've got something else that needs seeing to, whether that be a dirty nappy, or they might just want a cuddle. Sometimes babies' discomfort might be due to reflux or another digestive problem. We've done a whole video on this, so definitely be sure to check that out. But if you've got any worries or concerns, be sure to contact your GP, midwife, or health visitor. During your feeding journey, make sure that you stay patient and just be sure to cover all the approaches that we've spoken about in today's video. As always, if you've got any worries, be sure to contact your midwife, your GP, or your health visitor. Keep going because you're doing a great job.